day, everyone. Learn how to install Audacity in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, whether it's a desktop or a laptop. So it will be a step-by-step process. Please make sure you watch the whole tutorial. And if this is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe as well. Don't forget that. So open your browser like this and type Audacity download. Now here in Audacity, we just need to click on the very first thing, audacityteam.org. You can download it for free and you can make any voice like a studio quality sound. So here, download for 64, Mac, or Linux. I'll go with Windows. Here it says Audacity installer recommended 64-bit installer, 64-bit zip file. I'll go with the zip one. I'll click on download and it's getting downloaded pretty fast. Amazed actually. So it took almost like 5 to 7 seconds to download the zip file and it's almost done. Now I'll click on open folder. I will open the download folder. I'll just do a right click on that and I'll click on extract all. I will select the location. I'll keep the location in the download itself. Not a problem. I'll click on extract. So now zip file has been converted to folder. Now Audacity is 82 MB. We will do a double click again, and I'll click on this application. Now Audacity project file not currently associated. You want to open? I'll say yes, not an issue. Once you do that, I'll click on. Now again, we have this Audacity updates. We will go ahead and accept and continue. And we will click on OK. And here we go. We have this Audacity in front of us. So now you can import the file like this. You can go with the audio. And from here, you can select you want to import the wave, the MP3, whatever you want to. And you can play with that. So I'll make the next tutorial how to use the Audacity effectively to make any normal sound to a studio quality sound. All right. If you want that tutorial, do let me know in the comment section. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.